Hey, we're at the FabTech show here in Chicago, FabTech 2019. Let's go check it out and see what they got. Alright, well, I'm leaving the show. I got to see a lot of stuff, and if you ever get a chance to see a show like this, do it. It's worth it. You can't see everything on the internet. The internet doesn't have everything. You can't meet everybody. You can't meet people in real life on the internet. Yeah, you can do Messenger, but I'm telling you, there's nothing like meeting people face to face. So get a chance, do it. Go to these shows. They're awesome.